Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody out there doing today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. All right, I'm back on behalf of the 30-Day Success Formula. You may not have heard, or you may have heard, the company sent out an email. I'm not in front of my computer right now because I'm at Office Depot, just leaving Office Depot rather. But we've got some new products coming, some new levels coming, a new sales letter coming. We're going to be, they're looking at getting accredited by the Better Business Bureau. This is powerful, guys. So, with that being said, you definitely want to get in this direct mail program that's been around for 4 years. You can get in as low as $89, guys. The company is going to do your first mailing. Okay, they're going to mail 200 letters on your behalf, okay? So, that is powerful, okay? Not to mention they offer a 90-day money-back guarantee. So, this is the place to be as far as direct mail marketing. This is one of the most exciting programs I've been in as far as direct mail since I've been introduced to direct mail. So, I'm happy to be a part of this program. This is very exciting. And it's 6 levels of income, okay, with this. I'm going to flip this over so you can check it out, okay? 6 levels, 1 through 6. Get in where you fit in, okay? This is an awesome program. Come in as high as you can, guys. You still make money. Doesn't matter if you come in at the lower levels, you'll still make money, but you want to get these big commissions, okay? You don't want them to land in your sponsor's lap, okay? So, get started, all right? But I was inspired because I understand there's going to be a new testimony added to this new flyer, okay? We're going to have an updated sales flyer that's coming out here very soon, but I got a sneak peek, okay, of this testimony, and I had to share it with you, okay? I went ahead and got it printed, okay? I'm going to show you. This lady right here, this is a testimony, a new testimony for the 30-Day Success Formula. Okay, she's a grandmother. Look at her testimony. This right here is what really got me going. Right here, I'm flipping it over. She's 78 on Social Security. She's at level 6 now, Miss Berry. Okay, she has signed up as of March 4th, 193 people. Okay, that's including her upgrades and everything. This is so powerful. This is a commission she received. It was a pass up. Okay, it came in an envelope and she sent this testimony to the company. 78, okay, do you understand? So you can do this, okay? So if this was March 4th, you know she signed up more than that by now. But 193 people, guys, okay? Powerful testimony. This is going to be added to the 30-Day Success Formula. New sales letter, so get in. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos, okay? Get with me. If you come in at level 2 or higher, you're going to receive 200 plus leads to get you started, to start getting this mailing thing going, okay? All right, guys, until then, I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.